everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm giving you few ideas about how you can convert your simple plain kurti into a designer wear by just adding a simple contrast color strips. You can add any leftover fabric to make a strip and attach it in your kurtis like this. So you can convert your simple kurtis into a designer wear. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.